This technique has been around for decades and nobody's talking about it. I know it might sound hard, but I'm only using the same chord over and over again. It's incredibly easy and powerful to play. Let me break down for you. I call this technique as affirmation, which means every time that you play any chord, you play this chord over and over again, doing different inversions. For example, I'm playing here C major, C, E, G with C. So, to affirm this chord, I move this C to the top, turn this in the first inversion, and I can do it again, moving this E to the top, second version, and again, G, and again, and again. I can do as well doing the backwards movement. So here's C, C, E, G. I can move this G to the bottom over here, this E over here, C over here, and I can keep doing that until I have room for it. That's the technique. But the real secret here, my friends, it's when you combine this technique with a rhythm pattern. For example, let's say I'm playing this chord progression: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. And I can play that doing a really simple chord progression, repeating the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But every time that I'm playing, for example, the fourth beat, I'm gonna throw a chord affirmation. You sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I'll play the chord affirmation, back to the chord, and move to the next. You have already a totally different sound. And you can do that in so many variations. For example, I can do for more octaves. I can do repetitions for the affirmations. I can skip some octaves. Or doing only the backwards, the descending movement. So many ideas. Let me play again the chord progression, doing some variations, doing the same idea, the affirmation. So. And of course, you can apply this technique to songs. To show you that, I'm using the song Misery Business by Paramore. And by the way, if you're looking for a piano course, especially for beginners, I'll leave a link of my course in the description down below. So, back to the lesson. I'll play doing the very simple pattern, just repeating the chords like we did. And every time that I move two chords, I can play, for example, 1, 2, and stop the pattern and just doing inversion, or I can do the inversion going backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, or I can do the repetitions, 1, 2, 3, 4, or even skipping some octaves. No right, no wrong here, my friends. All it matters is matches with the song and the context. So if you want to play like just one inversion, it's totally up to you. If you can play doing like go crazy with the inversions, it's totally up to you again. No right, no wrong. But to give you some ideas, some inspiration for that, I'm gonna play this song right now, doing exactly the thing that we talked about. Some inversions, up, down, some repetitions, and skip some octaves. Check this out. Now to learn more cool techniques like this, just click on this video here. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Ciao!